How would you measure the importance of the world's rainforests? As producers of oxygen and absorbers of carbon dioxide, many believe these vast tracts of land are at the very heart of humankind's continued survival.
Brazil reported that over 5,000 square miles of the Amazon were destroyed last year by deforestation. Added to what has already been lost, it equals an area roughly the size of Texas. The government in Sao Paulo was so...
This is the Espírito Santos cattle ranch in Pará state in northern Brazil in the Amazon region. You might think that this area is remote to people in the UK and to Europe, but in fact the cattle and the products that they produce are exported all around the world. Now, campaigners say that cattle ranches like this are now one of the major drivers of destruction of the Amazon rainforest. A 3-year investigation.
Some environmentalists say rising global food prices are also to blame. Brazil is already one of the world's largest producers of soybeans. Ranchers looking to increase profits turn to clearing more land to plant more soy. Imagery taken from space confirms the increased destruction. 300 square miles of Amazon were destroyed in September, versus only 90 square miles in August of last year. The government says it will increase patrols of vulnerable parts of the Amazon to prevent more illegal clearing.
Does it worry you that you're damaging the forest?
I know it's wrong, I've seen it on TV, but what can I do? If I don't work, I don't eat.
Kids, it's time for dinner!
Tito and I are equipped for action and about to head into the jungle to see a project that has achieved the holy grail of forest conservation, reversing the logic of deforestation so that it's more profitable for local people like Tito to keep the jungle standing than to cut it down. So how have they done it? Good. Put it like that. Okay.
Devagar, só
God, it's hard.
Não tô errado. Já tô errado.
This is rubber tapping done in the traditional way, from rubber trees growing wild in the jungle. So how have they managed to make wild Amazonian rubber profitable again? Here's how. They use it to make these. The world's first rainforest-friendly condoms. Hundreds of millions of them every year. This is a condom testing area?
Yes.
So these ladies are officially condom testers?
Condom testers.
It's a funny
yes.
job.
Yes, a funny job.
I'm Ruben Morgan, X1 captain of 11 I'm here to say, save the Amazon. Deforestation.
下一则新闻是今天下午进行的中原总决赛，大家都在观看着，等待着这一个激动的时刻的到来。这位选手他已经做好准备了，大家报以热烈的掌声。他已经做好了准备活动，两个眼睛紧紧地盯着这棵树。
Hey, that's the guy who caught the tree.
So, how do you feel about your husband's death due to deforestation?
Chinese man catches tree. We're all winners over here.